Hey guys, we're finally here in Singapore. Naantay ko yung train na dumaan. Video? No?
Think I wanna empty my pockets. Think my mama knows I'm never getting my doctorate. Think I wanna blink until my eyes dry out of my sockets. Think I wanna stalk all of my homies in my space.
It's currently 11 in the afternoon. Kakadating lang namin and ina-explore lang namin tong airport. Nasa Terminal 1 pala to, pero sa Terminal 4 kami kanina. Si Janaya. We're going here sa Disney Adventure tomorrow. Baymax. Moana.
It's Denise. This is the lunchtime jukebox.
Disney cruise.
Yeah.
Nice. How long did it take for you to book the tickets? This is,
That's last year.
yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm sure.
Big. Thank you very much. Let's go. Finally here. Wow. Check-in namin is 1:45 to 2 o'clock eh. Parang 1:30 na. Ano yung check-in? Baka dito. Baggage drop-off. Okay, so later na lang, mag-check-in muna kami. Baggage drop-off. Finally checking in. Wow. Check-in 1:45?
Yes, Center Row po.
Center.
As long as 215
Ang daming tao.
Okay, salamat po. Thank
Thank you. Let's go na yung upstairs na. Hi. Ready for check-in. So, may binigay sa amin ito. Kasi hindi pa ata complete yung check-in namin. Meron pang kulang. So, present pa namin to later. Yun ang hair ko, haggard na. Sobrang init dito. I mean sa labas. Pero dito malamig. Hello! So, ito yung check-in counter. Malapit na kami. Let's proceed sa immigration. Finally, boarding. Wow, ayun yung ship. There's the ship na yan, oh. So big. Finally, andito na kami sa ship. Ay, dapat pala book na ako ng activities. Ito sa Disney Cruise Line na app. Hi! Thank you! Hello!
Please come in. Yeah, we have another space for the elevator.
While waiting sa elevator. Wow! Heavy baby. Ito yung BBD Boppity Poop. Wow! Dito yung gusto maging princess. Like, ganyan o, magda-dress up ka. Lounge. Matcha coffee. Later pa yung eat natin eh. Wow, ang sarap. There's the matcha coffee. Wow, ganda ng ano. Lounge area. Let's go. Ready na ata yung ganda ng wallpaper na yan. Let's go up. Parang dito na tayo galing kanina. Nahanap namin yung pool area. Ang init. Ulo ko. Hello.
Please sanitize your hands. Thank you.
Thank you. Do that to me. Wait. Parang arcade. Ang cute oh. Naka-schedule. For later. Oh, ang cute ng CR. So cute. Ano to? Baymax. Oo. To wash their hands. Ito, oh, Toy Story. Naya, slide ka dito, oh. Here. We're here sa Oceaneer Club. Ito.
What's her name?
Can we go to
Kaya nga, hinanap ko. We're going sa deck 10. Sa deck 9 na tayo. Another stairs. And then, dito na yan, no? Midship. Hi, who's the midship?
Alright, so you're just going to go up to 11 and then you're going to pass through on this side, okay? You will find it. It's going to take you back down to 10 with stairs.
Okay.
Okay, so just go up to 11,
Up
okay?
11. Okay, thank you. 11. We're here. Wow. Go down.
We're so excited to have you for this 3-day fun-filled adventure! Now to kick this party, kickstart the magic by rubbing this magic lamp.
I am your cruise director here on the Disney Adventure, and I have just one question for all of you this afternoon. Who is ready for a big adventure of their very own?
It is magical, especially when you're with family and friends.
Adventure time!
Okay, so hinahanap na namin yung room namin. 15901. 15. Ang ganda ng mga design nila. Hiningal na ako sa stairs. Oh, ang cute. 15901. Parang 15. Ano pala ito? Ang cute oh.
这俩就不用了吧？没关系，可以的。结婚的，
Ang ganda. Hindi ko nakikita na yung luggage natin. Wala dyan. Ay, hingal na ako.
You're not even walk. You're not even running.
Eh kasi syempre itong bag, it's so mabigat. Diyan ba? Ayan, malapit na. 15,700 na. $901. Cute. Dapat 9. 15,901. Hingal na. Hingal na. Ano? Check mo ulit dun. Baka umikot lang tayo. Huh? Okay. Ako na. Careful, baka mahulog yung passport. Balik na naman us. Nasa 15,700 na tayo eh. Nag 100 ulit. 9,800. Asan yan? Ito, 9,90. So, dapat dito. And then, design na sila ng room.
Can I have Darth Vader in the side?
Ito, magpiprint sana kami na to. DIY. Kaso, walang magnet. Bumili pa naman ako ng ink. Okay, update na lang namin kayo guys pag nakarating na kami sa room. Namin napunta dito sa... Buti nakita ni Janaya. 15,903. But 903? Ha? Baka dadalhin pa yan sa room nila, natin. O dalhin mo na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Andito lang pa lang tayo sa 15,300. Nihila na yung luggage namin. Napakalayo pa namin. 15,300. Eh, dadalhin yan dapat eh. Kinuha mo na. Saan ko naman makikita yung ano? Ayun yung keycard namin. Nakasabit na pala each door. Pero wala pa ditong mga baggage. Siguro papunta pa lang. Pero nakita ni Jana, kinuha niya na. Ayan o, isasabit na lang dyan yung mga keycards. 15,500 na. Malapit na tayo sa 900. Ayan, ganda. Asan si Janaya? Finally. Siguro andito naman na yun, no? Ito na yun.
It's in Kanto Netflix. Mommy, it's in Kanto Netflix.
15. Here. Finally. Ayan na. Okay. You're assigned assembly station. Let's open. Bibigyan niyo open. Okay. Here is our key card. One for me and one for Janaya. Finally. Yeah, ang bigat.
Was on board Disney Cruise Line indicated to launch services at any time.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome on board. I am Jar. So I'll be the one taking care of your room. So both of you, two of you, you are sorry, Janet?
Yes.
And
Janaya.
Janaya. Oh, right.
Nice to meet you, Zar. Is there aircon? Can you check if the aircon is already open?
Yeah. If you want a cooler,
Yes.
you can just sit it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here.
Just press it.
How do we open?
The bunk bed I will open with a special key soon. Usually I open in the night, so in the day you can relax
Okay.
on the sofa. So in the night I will open, and so I will service twice in the morning and in the night.
Okay.
So is everything alright? You have all your luggage?
I already have our luggage. Okay.
So, and what time is your dinner time tonight?
5:45.
5:45. Okay, that time I will come to open your luggage. So
Where's the for the app?
yes.
Okay.
So anything you need, just let me know. So I'll be around here. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So you got all your luggage?
Yeah,
Okay,
perfect.
that's good.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Naya, don't throw this.
Ang cute ng kapitbahay namin. So, let's have a room tour. Kahit hindi naman nag-open, open na talaga. So, ito yung luggage. May luggage rack here. Tapos, ano to? May room occupied. Service room, please. So, pwede mo pindutin yan. So, inside, ano to? May toilet. Separate sila ng shower area. Walang bidet. Oo nga. Ay, init. So, mayroong soap, drinkable tap water. Yeah. And ito yung shower area. May 4 towels, makeup, and my body lotion. And may 2 towels. And may tissue and towel. So, meron na palang shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Nagdala pa ako. Just to be sure. Ayan. And yan, may ref.
To attract attention while in the water. Here are the instructions for donning your life jacket. First,
Ref. How can I?
and unroll the strap.
Yan. And may safety box ba to?
The opening,
O, tama.
and then pull the strap behind your back. Next, fasten the buckle.
May tea and
tighten the
coffee
waist
as
belt.
usual. Ang cute to. Oh. May ganyan pala siya.
Finally,
Ito
fasten
yung
the center strap buckle by passing it
may
between the
desk
legs
tayo.
and then adjust.
So, ito yung room na kinuha ko, yung inside stateroom. Ito daw,
National Maritime Law.
pag mga gabi na, yung ano namin. Anong tawag dun? Ay, may blower din. May blower din pala. Yung nag-a-assist sa amin, later, mga 6 p.m. o 5 p.m., ibababa niya na daw yan. Hindi pa namin na-check kung paano yan eh. Siya na magbababa kasi may screw o may type of screw silang ginagamit para ibaba to. Kasi hindi lang namin mabababa to ng basta-basta. So later, papakita namin. And ito, ano to? Naya-check. Oh, ito pala oh. Ganyan. Baka ganun din sa kabila. Oh, hindi ko na ma-open. Baka ganyan. Close? Baka, ay, general alarm. Kailangan natin go outside. Para dun sa, ano, what do you call this? Ayan, and then meron ng table here. I think na, basta ganyan. So, pag sa morning, sofa siya. Pag sa evening, bed. And meron din palang full length mirror.
This information is also available in the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app. Please take the time today to become familiar with the route
Your card. Anong nakalagay sa card pala? 8. Okay. So, mag-emergency drill na. Dito tayo na sa taas. Saan tayo? Deck 8. Deck 8. Tama ba to? G2?
Every guest, regardless of age or how many times you have sailed with us before, must register at their assigned assembly station. If you have not yet done so, please proceed to your assembly station now.
Your room key to be out and ready. Yeah. You have your room key.
Yes.
You have to land.
Hi there, you have your room
Yes.
card?
Lovely. Very powerful.
Beautiful.
Thank
Come
you.
on in, have a seat.
How many of you?
2?
2 people.
Yes.
Let me join here. You get the first one. Another couple join here.
Okay. Here? Okay. What?
Strap buckle by passing it between the legs and then adjust. The life jackets are fitted with a light and whistle to
Wow. Finding Nemo. So, yun na yung money natin, yung ibibigay natin yung pagtatapos. There. So, ito, Ohana Grill. Then fall in line. Tayo sa Cosmic Kebabs. So, mag-line up tayo dito sa Cosmic Kebab. Sweet! Anong nasa menu? There's no menu. Build your own shawarma. Ano ba yung i-build? Kung anong kebab? Kung anong shawarma? What type? Ano siyang burger? Yes, bring it up. Ano, vegetable. Build your own bowl or platter.
Right here, just behind the lady. Yeah. That's right behind you. Right, yeah. That's right behind you. Right here. Right.
Ano sa'yo? Ako shawarma. Paneer. Ano yan? Different kinds of kebab. Ito, magda-dinner pa tayo. One lang. Chicken or lamb. Mag-lamb ka na lang. Choose your bread. Pita bread or whole wheat pita. Ako lamb shawarma and whole wheat pita. That's my bread. Kung mauubos mo, lamb shawarma. Yes.
One lang.
One lang. Ikaw na. Choose ka. Not. Ikaw na. Bahala. You can choose.
Okay lang. Pita bread. Rice? French fries? How about you, ma'am?
Sausage. This one. Yes, beef.
One more chicken.
And nothing. Thank you. Fries. Get mo na. Hummus. And red onions. Yung cheese scrambles. Thank you. My food. Ano? Saan tayo po? Check ka ng ano. Ba't ganyan hawak mo? Mahulog yan. Lagay ka ng sauce.
Where should we get ham? I'll take it.
Ayun, baby, may lalagyan, oo. Sige na nga. Here's our food. Lamb pita, sausage and fries. Undeniable chicken and lamb. Nakakuha ka? Are we moving na?
Yeah.
Pita from Cosmic Kebab.
But we are slowly.
Kasi big yung ship. Kaya hindi mo maramdaman na nagmo-move. Ang blue cheese. Ganda ng mic and salads. Parang doon na ata pala yung Moana. Okay. Mga other restaurants pa dito. Wayfinder Bay. Dito yung Moana show eh. Pero hindi pa siya open sa app. Kasi schedule pa yung activity. What?
Bigger pool.
Meron, dun sa middle. Wow! Are we moving na? Oo nga no. We're sailing na. Ayan o. Namove na siya. Let's go here, baby. Parang magbo-blow yung... No, don't throw that. Saan tayo? Baka room yan. Dito tayo, Naya. Huwag tayo dyan. Baka mga room yan eh. Come here. Naka hindi allowed dyan, Naya.
Okay, I'm scared now.
Saan to? Wayfinder Bay. Dito magpa-perform si Moana. Yeah, let's go upstairs na. Hi! Hair ko, ang gulo na. Palo Cafe.
Is go up na 18 deck?
Yeah, yung 18. 18 ata yung pinakataas eh. Hindi masikip. Doon magsushow si Moana. Puntahan natin. Check mo sa app.
She was in Telecom.
Ito ba yun? Ito, Naya. Great Galaxy Infinity Bar. Ha? Where? Oh, okay. Ito pala. Yeah, may roller coaster dyan. Open it. Wow! Ayun o yung roller coaster. May show pala sa baba.
No, I'm too scared. I wanna go to...
Nasa top deck na kami. May roller coaster. Kaso ba't walang nasakay? Kaya ang gulo ng buhok ko. Ayun o. Ay. Hindi ata nag-work. Yeah. Naya, dapat nag-swimming ka na, oh. Mga nagsiswimming na sila. I think mga 10.
10 what?
10 p.m.
2 p.m. Sige, kasi at night na lang ako.
At night. Dito, oh, slide. Look, oh, ang layo na pala namin. Ang laki ng ship. We are moving. Pero parang dahan-dahan lang siya. Hindi mo ramdam. Oh. Nay, akit na tayo. I'm scared na. Eh, tayo lang nandito eh. Mag-swimming ka na kaya para makapagpila ka na doon, oh. Ano? We're going to have dinner dito sa Pixar Market Restaurant. Ang gulo ng buhok ko dun sa deck kasi ang hangin. Pixar Market Restaurant. Parang ano to, diba? Toy Story. Malulubat na ako, 11%. At the Pixar Market. Table 77.
77.
Next, keep coming
back, ha? 65. 94.
Wow. 77, yeah. Can we here? Thank you. Yeah. Ay. Thank you. There's our table. Okay, I think saan yung plate natin? Ito yung view namin, no? Yeah. Parang inspired to kaya ano. Kanina to na yan? Sino nga ba yan? I forgot. Ah, si Coco pala. Pixar Market Restaurant. Ramdam ko na yung ano, yung galaw ng boat. Me, also me. First time. French onions. Ah, ito guys yung menu. So, you can order all you want. Yes, sir. Bakit ganun kita yung kamay ko? Ayan o. What should we get? What should we get? Okay. Thank you. What can you recommend for the entries?
For the small plate, I recommend you either porcini or dragon ball.
Oh,
For the main
porcini.
course, I recommend you shiromaru or the prime rib.
Where is it? Here, chicken. Ay,
Shiromaru,
shiromaru.
noodles,
Okay. Noodles.
prime rib.
Oh, roasted prime rib. Oo nga.
Shortly, yeah?
Okay, thank you. Ako parang gusto ko itong roasted prime rib of beef. What's this? Magano ka na yun ito, oh, broth. Tonkatsu pork.
Okay, I'm going with this.
Ito yung shiromaru. Ako, roasted prime rib of beef. Oh, okay. Thank you. It comes with bread. Cute ng bread. And may sauce. Pa-dip. Yes, one baby gem salad. And for bread selection, matcha marble. Is this which one?
Is that it?
Okay, matcha. Shiromaru. And roasted prime rib of beef.
Medium well, well done.
Medium well.
Medium well.
And for the dessert, white chocolate bread pudding. And ice cream sundae, chocolate fudge sundae. And also coconut rice pudding.
Right.
Alright. Yes. Thank you. Baby salad. Hindi, kay Janaya talaga to.
For him, French onions, okay?
Yeah.
Baby salad.
Oh, for him.
Yeah.
Medium.
Cute.
For you, salmon.
Yes. Wow.
And shiromaru.
Thank you. Oh, ramen. Okay. Ay. Rib eye. Deck 15 pala yun. Okay. Wow. Natawag na isa. Medium well. And the shiromaru kay Janaya. Serve you. No. Different tayo. While we're the view.
And where are we from? Singapore. First time on the cruise? Japan or Japan? Chiba. I've been to Osaka and Tokyo. Chiba is next. But by the way, my name is Adrian, and I will be here soon. We're gonna take your view every night. Please enjoy it. Okay? Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Filipino yan na yan. Nakalagay sa ano niya, Philippines. Nakita mo? Sa name tag.
I think Taiwan is in everybody.
Thank you. 901.
India is just in Paris?
Yes.
Alright,
Thank you. pudding. Okay. That's that coconut. That's the coconut and ano yan? Coconut and dessert na we're still sailing. Anong oras na? 6 o'clock na. Exactly. Oh, try mo na to. Ay, finish mo pa yan. Ano dito? So, meron pa akong Sunday na antay ko. Day 1 pa lang. Ang dami ko nang nakain. Diba, nagtatry kasi ako mag-book ng meet and greet eh. Ang bibilis. Sarap. Ito na yung favorite ko na dessert. Ang plate. Oh! Chocolate sundae. Puro dessert. Yan. Look at that. Another.
Yeah, some coffee.
No, thank you.
How about you? Want some coffee? Yeah.
May brownie. Coke Zero? I think so. Oh, kanina nag-ask siya eh kung anong gustong drinks. Coke na brownie. 6:07 na. Magagabi na, pero medyo maliwanag pa rin. Nagbubook ako ng meet and greet. Kaso laging ayaw. Ganyan o. 31st. Select time. Sana hindi mag-error. Ayan o. Kanina pa ako ganyan. Huwag tayo ng iba. Ay, walang available. Ito si Goofy. Try natin. April 1st, 9:45. Sana naman. Diba? Ayaw. Explore ko pa yung ship. Iniisip ko kung bibili akong internet eh. Mahal kasi. Parang almost 4,000 for the whole stay. We'll see. Habol pang dessert. Tart. Mickey Mouse. I'm done and I'm full. Tomorrow daw yung breakfast, 8 a.m. Let's check. Ito, Bao? Saan nga yan? Oo, pinapanood ko yun eh. It's just a short film. Okay. So, where are we going now? For room. Doon na tayo sa room? Let's walk pa. Para magbaba yung kinain. Gabi na. Dito kami kanina. Ba nagpunta na tayo doon? Oh, nagsiswimming pa oh. Ask mo until what time are they open? Oh, there's pizza, but it's not open. Pizza Planet. Gusto may infinity pool dito eh. Ask mo baby, yung staff. Until what time? Ayun, open pa oh. Saan yung infinity pool dito? Meron akong nakita dun sa vlog eh. Yun yung castle oh. There's the castle. No? Ito yung castle at night. Let's go to the room. Okay. We'll be back. Anak, saan ba yung room? Diyan ba?
I know.
Okay, I'll follow you na lang. Kukuha kaming swimsuit. Kasi nasa-swimming si Janaya. Open pa siya until 9 p.m. Swimming area. Here's our room. Wow. Wow, my chocolates. Sweet dreams. Ano to, Naya? Crab. Ito na yung bed namin. Yun yung swimsuit mo. Okay.
Emergency procedures, including primary and secondary routes to your assembly station. Information on how to follow low level.
Buy merchandise.
Welcome aboard the Disney Adventure. Thank you for taking a...
Okay, let's wash our hands. Pwede pala drinkable tap water. Pwede mo siya drink. Drinkable nga. Because we're going to sleep early para magising kami ng maaga din tomorrow. Makapag-buffet and makapag-swimming ng maaga. Shit. Yung mga shows, ay yung mga palabas dyan sa TV, mga Disney movies. Of course, mag-wash ako ng face. Wait. Here. Kukuha saan ako ng wifi, kaso nag-e-error yung app. Kailangan pang pumunta dun sa hanapin yung customer service. Eh, tinatamad na ako lumabas. Yeah. Oo, labahan na yan. Medyo, ano tong sink?
740, so
Ang kalat na namin. Sorry for the mess. Oh, dito na nga tayo. There. Ayan, o, diba? Mas malaki. At kasi nandito ka.
Makeup. Wala namang makeup. Pero, nag-sunblock kasi ako kanina. Basa-basa na. Basa na. OMG. Blower natin. We're about to sleep. Si Janaya, tinawag pa yung nag-a-assist sa amin kasi gusto niya gamitin yung bed dito sa taas. Ayaw niya dito sa baba. Ewan ko kung pwede ba buksan to. Kasi meron kasi siyang susi, oh. O, push ba to? Oo, meron siyang bago mo siya buksan. Si ano to? Frozen! Si Anna and Elsa. Oh, ito naman yung sa side ko. Snow. Gusto niya pabuksan to. Ayaw niya matulog dito. Kasi basically, pang-apat naman talaga to kasya dito eh. So, ewan ko kung papayagan niya. Buksan. Magdala ng travel adapter. Ito, nabili ko kay sa yung set na, andun yung isa yung nakasaksak siya para sa cruise o para dito sa Singapore. Kasi iba yung saksakan nila kasi sa atin. Sa Philippines. So, buti na lang nagdala ko. Kung hindi ko magagamit yung plancha ko, yung charger ko, hindi rin talaga siya magagamit. Siguro may ibang ports. May ibang ports na katulad nito, naka Type-C, tsaka USB. Meron naman. Ano? Nias mo siya? Tabi mo nga yung clothes. Ay, there. Yes. Can we use this one instead of...
Yeah, of course. So you like to use the bunk bed? Both of you or only one? Two?
Both?
Both? Sure.
Would like to try.
Yeah.
Sorry for the mess.
No worries. Yeah, it's same thing. But you have to climb with the ladder. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Another one. But if you use bunk bed, the ladder will be. You want one ladder only or two? I have one more. Two?
Fit? Both?
Yeah, it can fit both. So you will feel
That's no space.
tight. Yeah, it's very tight.
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yes, I want to try.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So during the morning service, should I just leave the bed open or keep it closed so you have space? So I will open again in the evening if you want to sleep.
Can you just close this?
I'll just close this now.
No.
Tomorrow. Okay, I will close. Sure. So just keep the bunk bed open. Sure. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night. Ayan na ang bunk bed. Ang dami-dami. Bunk bed. Try mo nga. Try mo dyan sa bunk bed. Bukas na bed. Pero dalawa na naman. Okay. What? My shoes. Diyan mo yung shoes mo. Oh my gosh. Yung nilagyan ko ng, bumili ako sa Shopee nitong lalagyan para hindi namin mawawala. Ito yung sa akin. Ay, medyo na yun pala. Where's mine? There. Here's mine, color pink. Matches my pantulog. Okay, so we're gonna sleep na. Tomorrow na lang ulit. Good night. Bye. Hey guys, hindi ako makatulog. Parang gusto kong bumili ng internet. Wala kasi kami internet here. Meron lang WhatsApp. Yun lang. And dun sa Disney Cruise Line na yun lang. Ito na nga tinawag ko na nga kanina. So ayan. For 24 hours $26. Naka USD siya, hindi siya naka Singapore dollars. $26. Pero hindi ako mag-internet streaming, internet lang. $26. 24 hours. Kapag voyage ata, yung whole stay, $66. $66. Should I buy? Ayan, kinompute ko. 3.7 siya in Philippine peso. Ano ba? Kainis naman Bibili ba? Bibili ba tayo? Shit. 3.7 din yun. Sige na nga. Ayan na nga. You are connected. What the? Okay. Expires April 3 ng 12 a.m. I-check out na namin yan. Okay na ba? You're online. Return to manage your plans. Launcher. Meron na ba? Bilis Paano kasi nakalink na yung card dito? So, paano na? Meron na ba? Try na nga natin mag-chat. Nasarapan sila sa cake kagabi. 3.7 to. Tulog ka na naman. Bumili na ako ng wifi. 3.7 to. Bumili na nga akong wifi gumising ka na. Tingnan mo yung room namin. Ginawang na. Ang dami ng Bumili na akong wifi. Binabuksan tong ito, tsaka ito. Tsaka mga bunk bed. Si Janaya kasi gusto niya matry itong sa taas. Yung parang sala sa baba. Kaya nga, kasya kasi dito 4. Konti, nararamdaman ko pero hindi naman ganun ka Nararamdaman ko kanina konti lang. Pero hindi ganun kaalon. Ang sarap nung pagkain namin kanina Parang fine dining. Nasend ba? Ayan. Ngayon lang nasend. Tapos Japanese yung tapat namin.